Welcome to USF The Vessel Online. I'm Adam Paulson. As the weather begins to heat up in the spring, so do a few USF campus activities. Here is Jacob Van Engen peddling you the story.
Believe it or not, spring is coming, and some USF clubs will be heating up with the weather. Cisa Cooper is the advisor to the gardening club, and she talks about just what that club is.
Well, we meet periodically throughout the year. We are in charge of the butterfly meditation garden. That's the garden right under the archway as you're going up to Jordan. So we maintain that garden year-round, including planting new annuals every year and keeping it weeded, watered all through the summer months.
The gardening club is also involved with some cool things that extend far beyond the USF campus.
Well, currently we're in the process of learning how to tag monarch butterflies. We're getting really involved in monarchs. Since we made it a butterfly garden, we now have one of the largest crops of monarch butterflies in the city. And I don't know if you know this or not, but within 20 years, monarchs could all disappear if we're not really careful. So we are in the process of tagging them and tracking them all the way to Mexico in the fall when they migrate down.
The club is constantly looking for new people to help out with different projects.
So anyone's welcome. We'll start planting the annuals and more perennials for the butterfly garden. We're also looking at the possibility of building some sort of structure over the cement table and chairs there for the summer, like a temporary structure that we could plant vines on to create a shade for summer. So we're looking into projects like that. We could really use some help with that. So we'd love to have some carpentry people and creative energy in there who would like to build something for us. What we're trying to figure out is how we could put something up that would be up all summer and take down each fall and store somewhere and put it up again in the spring.
If you're interested in joining the gardening club, you can contact either Cisa Cooper or the student head of the club, Sarah Christensen, at their USF email. With USF The Vessel Online, I'm Jacob Van Engen.
For more information on the many clubs that we have on campus, visit the Groups and Clubs page on the USF app. On March 26th, the Sioux Falls School Board unanimously approved a technology plan to bring the district's one-to-one initiative to younger students. Starting in second grade, every student will receive their own Chromebook. The devices will allow teachers to do more pre-testing and give students more practice typing, says Michael Christopherson, the director of the district's Information and Technology Services. The extra Chromebooks come as part of a 2-year, $8 million technology plan aimed at updating classroom technology and training teachers on how to use the screen time in the classroom. This program will begin in the 2018-2019 school year. Thank you for joining us today with the USF The Vessel Online. I'm Adam Paulson. Come back tomorrow for another news update.